Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do another full face of first impressions. I have done it so many times already. So last week I did some purple haul. So I have done some purple shopping, Flipkart shopping. We have Mars new launches. We have nybae and Stay Quirky, a bunch of new makeup. Some are new to my collection. So if you want to know my thoughts, I have this Mars primer, and then we have this new palette that I have tested out. It's an all-in-one palette. And yeah, if you want to know my thoughts about all of the new products that I have tested out in this video, keep on watching. And before getting ahead into the video, if you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, anything related to beauty will find out in this channel. And I create content around mostly affordable makeup and anything affordable. So yeah, makeup, skincare, fashion. So if that's interests you, please consider subscribing. I post very frequently, like 6 to 7 videos depending upon, like if there is a festival or I will not post. So yeah, so I hope you will like the vibe here. I hope you will like the content. So if you like the content, please do not forget to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos with the friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for my primer, I'm going to use this Mars Hydra Glow Primer. So it's a secret potion for your luminous skin, and it is so pretty, and that I have kept the packaging. I'm not going to throw it. It is so pretty, and it is proactive plus nourishing. So we are going to try, and the packaging is so cute. It's a very, I have swatched it just on my hand, and I love it so much. So this is the packaging, very luxurious looking, and honestly, if this one was from like bigger brands, they could have charged 1000 plus easily. So this is a like runny consistency. It's like a water-based serum like kind of primer. So we are going to just try it. I'm going to just take it and look at the glow. Look at the glow. It's very hydrating, very dewy, and you can see my skin is looking so glowy. It's like looking like glass. I'm loving it so far. It is so pretty. And yeah, my acne are back. And I already have a little bit of gloss, which we are going to discuss later. I love it. You know, if you are into blotted lips or something, you will really like the gloss. I'm going to take it, as I have dry skin, I'm just applying it all over my face, as it is really hydrating. Look at my skin, it's looking like glass. Really lightweight. It is very lightweight also. And so far it's also, can you see? Yeah, a little bit. I think this will have a gripping effect. I can feel this. I will let this sit on my skin for like 5 minutes. I will do my eyebrows and I will be back. I have done my eyebrows, and you can see still the glow is very prominent. So it is very dewy sort of a primer. Plus I took a little bit more because it says hydrating, and my skin in winter needs all the hydration. So yeah. Here I have some active acne, and I was applying tea tree, and because of it there was dry patches, but now it is so smooth. I'm really loving this primer so far. So what happened, I was like, I thought of doing the full face first impression, which it is. Maximum of the products are new. Foundation, I wanted to buy the Stay Quirky one, but my shade was out of stock, so my plan just was like flopping. So I'm going to use this Inside foundation. This is also a new launch by Inside, and I was like, now they have a new concealer as well. So, and I'm on a concealer nybae, so I don't think so I'm going to review it. And yeah, I'm going to take it, and it's a very full coverage dewy foundation. And today I don't think so should I go for full coverage. Let's just see. I could have bought the new concealer by Inside, but literally I have so many concealer. I was like, no, just use what you have. And maybe if a lot of people will review that, I will also review that. So much, so I'm like, how many products I can try? So that's the reason I'm now thinking about. And yeah, we are going to talk about Mars new launches as well, so just stay tuned. And yeah, we are done with the foundation. It's very full coverage, which I don't go for, but because of this active acne situation, like, yeah, I thought let's just roll with it. Okay, I'm going to just use my Swiss Beauty concealer. Okay, now let's talk about the new launches. So yeah, let's just dive into this. So as you can see, this is all in one kind of palette, and I love it already. So this is the first time I'm going to use it on my eyes. I have already swatched it. I love it, and I'm going to try everything. And I'm going to try this bronzer, blush, and highlighter first. Okay, so for that, I'm going to take let's just start with the bronzer, and it's looking promising. It is a shimmery, it's not a matte bronzer. Let's just see. Already done with my cream bronzer and all. Whoa, it's too pigmented. I was not expecting it. Let's just see. I have to tone it down. It's like too pigmented. I already have cream bronzer on, so maybe that. I don't know. Should I do nose contouring with it or not? I am not sure. Yeah, nose contouring I was really careful, so I took a little less, but this situation I have to tame it down. So on forehead also you can see I took less than it was good, but for the first time here I took a little lot, so I will tame this down. You know, what should I do? Yeah, I will take my powder itself and I will just, yeah, I saw Kelly Gooch doing it, so yeah, this should help in taming down. I think it was a TikTok hacks she was doing, like if you have too much bronzer or blush you can just use your powder and this will help in taming it. That's what I'm doing it. So first impression, it is too pigmented, so I don't know how beginner friendly this will be, but now it is looking very pretty. It's looking very sun-kissed. I love it. And now just use the blushes. I am a sucker for mauve, so I bought it, and now I'm going to just mix these two shades. And these are not pigmented. I have already swatched this on my hand, so I know it's not that pigmented. Yeah, you can see this blush is really beginner friendly. It's not that pigmented, so if you are beginner you can just play around. Already have a lipstick as cream blush, so I'm not going to go ham. Love it. Love the shade. Is so pretty, and it's a very buildable blushes are very good of this. It's the bronzer I will advise you to take less. Let's just do the highlighter. And yeah, I think highlighter is also buildable. Wow, look at it. Yeah, very pretty. Love it. Love it. Highlighter, wow, loving the highlighter so far. Wow, I really love the highlighter. Is very pretty. Let me just swatch all of them. So these are the blushes. These are very buildable. See, very less pigmented. It's perfect as a blush. Contour, however, this bronzer is too pigmented, and you can see the situation. And the highlighter is also very pretty, very pretty. So on and all, it is a very good palette. Just the bronzer is too pigmented, so you have to be a little too careful. Take really less. You know, you can rub it first around your back of your hand, and then maybe you should try it. Otherwise, the shade is good. The bronzer shade is good. It's just it's too so the bronzer shade I like, but the thing is too pigmented. And yeah, otherwise blush and highlighter is a winner for me. Bronzer I'm not 100% sure. I will test it out. On my nose I took a very less. On my forehead it is looking good. Just here it is looking too much. Now let's just move on to eyes, because we have 9 beautiful mauve tones. I have already used this glitter in that video where I was swatching, you know, Flipkart haul. So that's that, and I'm going to do a very basic matte mauve look. Yeah, I'm trying to match this situation, and I'm thinking I will use, first of all I should use this. Let's start from a light shade or light wash off color, and yeah, I will set my lid with this one. So there is kickback. You can see the kickback is there. So tap all the excess. Man, it is very pigmented. I thought this would be very light. It's not. It's too pigmented. Look at that. Man, it is very pigmented. I think I should have gone with the blushes as a light wash of color. Too pigmented, man. It's too. Okay, so I concentrated this just here. I want a very light transition. I'm missing a light transition. So I'm going to mix these two and just diffuse this. So as you can see, I have just used these two blushes to diffuse them. First, I think I will do this eye, and with this first impression, you will end up with different look. I want a more, so I want a more this shade look, which we will see. It's a burgundy kind of shade, and okay, now I'm going to dip into this shade and just concentrate it on my outer V. Yeah, it's matching, and I'm happy. Wow, I'm happy because finally it's matching. So first I'm going to use this clean fluffy brush to just diffuse everything, just mashing everything. And now I'm going to again go with the blushes and just trying to create a beautiful transition gradient sort of situation. Yeah, now I'm happy. Now I am happy. Just taking this clean brush again, loving it. Now I'm going to again take this burgundy sort of shade and tap all the excess. Okay, now what I'm thinking, I will take these two blushes, maybe the lighter one. I'm just going. So happy the way this look has turned out, and I just wanted this radiation situation from a light to, you know, dark, and I'm really happy the way this look has turned out. I really like it. Now I'm going to mix this. You have to be a little bit careful because there is a kickback in this palette. Otherwise, it's a very pretty palette. I really love the way this look has turned out. And yeah, it's looking really pretty. So I will do this eye, and I will have some mascara. I have not yet opened. I have a lot of mascara to test out, but frankly speaking, if my other mascaras are not dried up, why should I open them? So I have not tested out any new mascara. So I will do this eye, the same trick, and I will be back. Okay, so I have done both with the eyes. I am loving the look. Just look at it. Oh my god, like it is looking so pretty, and I'm like so happy with the way the pigmentation is awesome, and the blendability is awesome. The only thing is that it has a lot of kickback, so I will advise you first do your eyes. As you can see, a little bit of kickback here, but other than that, I'm so shook. It is so pretty. It is so damn. And if you want a very mauvey sort of palette with blushes, with glitter, with shimmers, bronzer, highlighter, it have everything for just 300 bucks. I got it for 200 something. I have to check, but honestly, you guys, this is so good in terms of quality. It is very, very, very good. It's just that it has a lot of kickback. My pant is like all over, it has a lot of kickback. Other than that, it's a very, very, very good palette. I'm really impressed. And yeah, I have, okay, so yeah, here was also some kickback. So yeah, so now let's just move on with the lips. And for that, I have literally so many lip options, and I'm sitting here getting confused, and I think I will use this Stay Quirky lip crayon. So as you can see, you can line your lips, and as well as you can fill your lips. It's very good. I like the crayon, lip crayon, concept. It is the first time I have tried a lip crayon, and yeah, they are out in the market for so long, but I was not a lip crayon person. This was a free gift. I have to say I like the concept because I can line my lips and fill my lips at the same time. So otherwise, I will use a lip liner, then I will use a lipstick because I want this, precision. That's why I like applying lip liners, but I'm loving the lip crayon concept. And now I'm going to use this gloss. And oh my god, I love this gloss. And yeah, this is the shade. I forgot to tell you, this is the lip crayon, Stay Quirky lip crayon in the shade Air Kiss. Let me just swatch it, and it's a very pretty pink. I love this. It's a very pretty pink. I don't think so I have a pink like this in my collection. I really like it. And this lip gloss is, I'm going to so it's Peach Day. I have the Peach Day shade, and I think I want a little bit. Yeah, this is the mauve gloss. This is the shade Caramel Cashew. I want this. I accidentally applied a Peach Date, and I think I will top this off. So now I have a cocktail of some lip crayon, two lip glosses, and this is the shade. And I love this gloss formula. See, by the way, I have two glosses. So this is the shine after, we can say, two coats. And with glosses, I will highly recommend first apply a lip liner or something, then only apply glosses. Otherwise, yeah, I'm going to use this setting spray. This is also a new launch by nybae, and I'm going to hide my eyes. This is a very hydrating setting spray, and I love it. Okay, so now let's just quickly talk about all of the products that are new to my collection. Some are new launches, and my thoughts on about them. I love this. I freaking love this. So this is going to be, my new obsession, and it is very good. I love the quality. It is looking so dewy, so healthy. I just love it. It is very good, very hydrating, very dewy, and very, your skin will look like a glass. And I am loving the finish. I just love it. And yeah, now the next product that I tried is this one, and the moment I swatched it, I was like, this is going to be my new obsession. I am not a huge fan of bronzer. The tone wise, it is a very pretty bronzer, but it is too pigmented, so you have to be careful. The highlighter blushes, I love them. Blushes are so decently pigmented. They are not overly pigmented. They are like blushes, not eyeshadow, whereas this bronzer is giving me like too pigmented, like eyeshadow vibe. So yeah, highlighter is very pretty, very finely milled. You can see it is not at all chunky. Wow. Highlighter is bomb. I love the shadows so much. In the lightest shade, I was like, I will set my lid. See, it was so pigmented, and this is my favorite would be the shade. It's a very pretty burgundy shade, and I love it. And it's a mauve palette. It's a stunner. The glitter is stunning. The shimmers are stunning. Very pigmented, very buildable. Just it has a kickback. You have to just do your eyes first, in my opinion, because here I have a kickback, and you know, when the shadow will be too dark, it will be prominent. And this burgundy shade, I can still, after trying to remove this, because I don't set my face now, so that's why I think for me especially, doing my eyes first with this palette is a must. Otherwise, I love this palette so freaking much. I love it. Now moving on to lip crayon. I am a huge fan of this shade. This shade is Air Kiss. It's a very pretty pink with a very neutral undertone. It's not peach, it's not cool. So I think it's a very neutral pink. And yeah, I love the concept of lip crayon. It's I was like, I have never tried a lip crayon, and I love it. And it's a very pretty gift from Purple, I have to say. I love it. Okay, now glosses are very pretty, and with lipstick you can see they are looking pigmented. Without lipstick, they have like they will give you that blotted lips kind of situation, and with a healthy shine. The shine is not that much, so I'm going to do an in-depth review about glosses. I love the glosses. So yeah, you can see the shine with 2 coat, we can say, because I tried 2 shade now. So I think the shine is also good. So that's pretty much it for this video. These were the products. I have a lot of new makeup. Maybe I will do another testing new makeup. I have eyeshadow crayon. I have never used eyeshadow crayon. I'm excited. Then I have yeah, I have to test out this one. So yeah, this one I have a color essence bronzer. I have some Mars lipstick, and yeah, there are so many other products that I was not able to test out in this video, but I will definitely test them out, and with on front of camera will give you again my first impression. No product was a fail. I love them all, and yeah, I am like really happy that these days drugstore is killing it with beautiful launches. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.